guys, so this is a witch man. Like, I know on this channel I always release songs, so I know I'm not good on songs, so what I got right now is making money, man. Like, I'll post making money videos these days. So I'm on this website, man. Like, as you can see, I got 35 rand 15 cent, and here I got 1 rand 90 cent. So this is a Bitcoin miner, guys. As you see, mining Bitcoin. I'm mining Bitcoin right now. So as you can see, mining Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So every day I get this money, guys. I'm getting this every day by mining, guys. So you better start, man. So I just started today, man.
Wish I never showed you where I live.
And I got and by your first sign up you get 5 rand, guys. So that's why I say you better sign up, guys. You can withdraw your money, like, you can withdraw your money,
You should stop behaving like a kid.
like everything, guys. You can withdraw it, so it'll be good, guys. So
Should've known.
you can add bank to withdraw your money. So yeah, so that's all I got to say, man. Like, I'll leave the link of this website in the description and in the comment section, guys. So better sign up and make money, guys. So say I'm out.